how it all started really, why you're interested in soil, why you thought it was important.
Well, I understand the importance of soil, what I've learned throughout my life, and I wanted to learn more about the gain a scientific understanding of soil health, specifically to 3 of the sites that our team manages, 2 being remnant forests and 1 being agricultural land, and then to get a comparative analysis of the differences between the 2 to help with our restoration efforts and also with our aspirations of transitioning agricultural lands back into native forests.
How did you measure it before?
We didn't have a baseline measurement of the soil health. It was purely observation. So just looking at worms and visual
Like
senses.
The color and the structure.
Cultural significance. The spaces that we work in, or most of Turanga, used to be all remnant forests prior to colonization, and you can notice the decline in the health of the land over the last 200 years. So looking for ways to help with remediating that for the whole region, starting with the areas that we currently manage.
And I guess we'll give you some guidance as well when the land gets leased and see what results come from that operation.
There's already a lot of evidence about the impacts of land use, of current land use. And there are a lot of people trying to improve those practices, but to get a deeper understanding and the evidence, as you said, of what's actually happening under there from their uses, just to support our efforts and to support our drive to make change.
Find some values on potential restoration from the work. You know, what's your vision going forward for that?
The integration of carbon crops as a ground cover around some of the native restoration, because some of the tests we found with the clover, it had really good soil activity. So rather than actually casting the seeds, rather than the simple action of mulching and using cardboard.
Yeah, it's the difference, right? Mulch is just suppressing weeds, but a living mulch is actually bringing in nutrients from the sun. It brings in bacteria and fungi and feeds them and fuels them.
Yeah.
Anything else for you to stand out from the process?
Collaboration side was cool. So we went out together to do the soil sampling. I found that was cool. Part of the relationship building as well, but being on site together rather than just a transactional relationship. Can you sample this for us? And then I just
For the results.
Yep. So that was part of that knowledge exchange as well, where we got to know each other more and exchanging ideas, even innovate together.
Yeah. There's another space for innovation in soil, I believe.
Plenty,
Yeah. I'm conscious of your time, so maybe just one last question is, how do you find it overall, the process?
Just easy to work with and generous with your information and your knowledge.
Thank you. That's great. When I get good feedback, it really fills my heart, because I'm really passionate about the work I do, and the relationship as well you build is such a good part of the process.